How to remove blank rows in Excel Beginner's Tutorial 2022. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your very own Excel table and how you can remove blank rows and blank columns and basically blank tables out of your whole formula or diagram. So it's going to be very simple, very easy, and I'm just going to show you it all how to do it. So for that, obviously, we're going to go to Excel, and I'm going to be using the Microsoft 365 Excel, the latest one. Now, obviously, you can go with all these templates if you have, or if you have, let's say, you can go with a proper, let's say, create your very own table if you have, or you can just go with any of these templates. I'm gonna go with, let's say, with a simple invoice. Now, once you click on simple invoice, you're gonna come here, and this is how it basically looks. Now, you can adjust what you're seeing, what you're not seeing. Now, let's say one of these rows, I'm just gonna go here, and you can insert a row if you want to, and I'm gonna insert even more, and I'm gonna insert a few over here, and I'm gonna insert a few over here, and shift cells right, and just start inserting rows that you want to delete. So to delete multiple rows, all you need to do is you're going to come here on the left side, you're going to click on this cell over here, and you're going to start dragging down here, and there we go. Or you can just go on a row and just click on it and come down here like this. And to delete it, all you need to do is right click on delete, and look at that. All those rows were deleted. And that is how simple it is to delete a proper row. But obviously there are more ways which are much more convenient and much more useful. I'm going to be getting into that as well. Now, many people probably think that Excel is the most difficult thing out there, and they think that Excel is like so difficult to use that most people don't even use it. Most people just have other people do it for them. Even in colleges and universities, they have work on Excel to do, but most people do not do it because for some reason people find Excel very difficult. But Excel is actually one of the easiest softwares out there, and all you need to do is just pay a little time and attention to it. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go here. I'm going to add or insert a cut cell, or you can just insert even more cells. Let's say I'll come here, insert cut cells, and I can come here, insert even more. Let's say shift cells down, and you can just keep on inserting more as I'm going to come here, insert more, come here, insert more, come here, insert more, and just start inserting as many layers as I want. So now that we have all these blank layers, like this one, or maybe these ones, what can happen is, let's say I have scattered blank layers. This is obviously a small table, but let's say you have scattered blank layers all over your table, and you can't go to every single each one of them and start deleting them, because obviously that's highly time consuming. So what you can do is you're going to go on home, and once you're on home, you're going to come here on find and select. Now, once you go on find and select, you're going to click on go to special. And once you click on go to special, you're going to go on blanks. And once you go on blanks, you're going to click on OK. And what's going to happen is it's going to select all the blank spaces that are in your table. Now, if you want to, let's say, keep some blank spaces, you can just hold Control and start deselecting those blank spaces like this. And let's say I want to deselect this blank space, this blank space, this blank space. I can deselect all that. All I need to do is then just click on delete. And what that will do is it will fully delete these blank spaces that we have. Again, click on delete, and there we go. All the blank spaces that we had are deleted now. So yeah, that is another way that you can delete blank spaces. And obviously you can use these delete charts from where you can delete sheet rows, sheet columns, or just delete the whole blank spectrum that there is, obviously without deselecting. You can also, again, go to special. You can also use current regions or current arrays to delete it, but those are just a bit more complex. You can also use row differences, column differences, but those are complex things. Again, the best are just selecting blank and then just from there on going and deleting it. So yeah, those are the basic ways. There are other ways, as I showed you. You can also mess around with the page layout and the data that you have. Obviously, it all depends on the amount of information and collected data you have in your Excel sheet. And it also depends if you've used the Excel formulas to create your page, because obviously if you have used formulas and these color formattings, it's going to be a bit difficult, because if you delete one layer, it's going to ruin the optimization and algorithm of one layer. So to fix that, all you need to do is you can obviously start from scratch in blank, or let's say I have this. I can copy the details of this. Let's say I'm going to do that. And I'm going to copy or clear, let's say I'm going to copy these contents. I'm just going to go ahead, copy. I'm going to go back, blank workbook. And over here, if I paste it, what it's going to do is it's not going to paste all the formulas, because obviously I didn't optimize it to paste the formulas. And from here on out, let's say if I have these blanks, I can go and find and search, go to special, go to blanks, click OK, just click on OK. And from here on out, delete the blanks. And what that does is it starts optimizing according to it. And again, the normal way to delete blanks is just doing this and doing that. And there it deletes all the blanks. So yeah, that is how you basically optimize and delete blanks from your table, rows, or columns when it comes to Excel. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel.